Hi everyone, it's Hillary of Creative Faith, and I'm excited to bring you guys another collaboration video with Allie over at Allie Scraps. And today we're going to be using two fall kits. This kit on the left is called Dancing Leaves, and it's available in the Creative Faith Etsy store. And this kit over here, I believe, is called Seek His Timing, and it is by Allie of Allie Scraps, and I'll put a link below to get both of these two kits. And so we are doing a collaboration and using both of these two digital products from our shops. And so I'll put a link below to Allie's YouTube video where she is going to walk through how she's using these two kits. And so the Dancing Leaves kit from my shop, I have done a YouTube video before kind of walking through some of the elements, but it's all about leaves and fall and change and embracing change and the transition times. And so I'll put a link to the other YouTube videos I have done with this kit. But I wanted to show you guys what Allie's kit comes with because you guys haven't seen that over on my channel. And so it comes with these little cards. I think this is the one I'm going to use in my Bible today, from Isaiah 60. It has a few tabs, a washi strip. It has these awesome tip-ins. I love this one about waiting. Waiting is challenging. And love this about being still before the Lord. That's something really hard for me to do, but this is what God wants us to do. So I had some printing issues. So this is from my Etsy store, but this piece comes with hers. So her kit has 4 journaling spots with some questions. And I love having journaling questions. This really helps me dive in. And so then here's the other one. This is from my kit. And so there's 4 of those that come with Allie's kit. There's also 2 different alphabets. And like I said, I was having printing issues. So this is one of the orange ones, and there's also a blue one that comes with it. So that is one of her kits. And then she also made coordinating prayer request cards. So I printed these on cardstock. I'm having some printing issues, so yours shouldn't have blue or vertical lines. They just have horizontal lines. But these colors match the kits, and they also match my kit. So that's really cool. Sorry friends, like normal, my phone ran out of space, and so I had to stop what I was doing and delete a bunch of apps and things. Please pray that I can find a new affordable phone with more space soon. It makes it really challenging to film videos. But anyways, so I'll also have a link to the prayer request cards below in the description box. So I pulled out the verse card that I mentioned earlier, and I am gluing it on top of this beautiful piece of fall paper. I picked up this kit from Tuesday Morning, and I'm unfortunately covering the cute foxes because I just want the plain background. But Tuesday Morning has a lot of discounted art supplies, and I got like 12 sheets of cardstock and stickers and journaling cards for not very much money. And so I loved the color on the back side. I thought that it matched perfectly with all of the kits and colors that I was using. And then I'm adding the little girl on top of the journaling card to kind of represent me, and me waiting on the Lord and waiting on His perfect timing. I printed off some of elements from various kits. I have like my Monstrous Envy kit and Praise Him kit and Dancing Leaves. I printed a bunch of them on sticker paper. And so I'm going to use this really large leaf on the page. And then the watercolor set I'm using comes from Dots and Dust Etsy store, which I'll link below. And this set is called Elementary, My Dear. I'm not sure if she still has more of this set, but this set coordinates perfectly. Also, I love all these fall colors, and so I'm going to use the yellow and the red on my Bible page for a background. And the red one is actually shimmery. You can kind of see it in the video a little bit, but this is just a really simple way to add a background on the page. I love using watercolors. I think it's a really simple way to create beautiful backgrounds. And so I'm just kind of dabbing on the color on the page. And as I am doing that, I'm just kind of reflecting and praying and thinking about the themes of both of these kits, thinking about waiting and change and being full of God's peace in the middle of all these transition times. And so it was a very wonderful reflective process for me doing that. So at the top you'll see I have a couple of tabs prepped. The top one is from Allie's kit. It says his timing is perfect, and then the bottom one was just something that I had in my stash. And so this gigantic leaf came from the Creative Faith kit from Dancing Leaves, and I just love getting to design kits for you all to use, and these leaves are probably one of my favorite things that I have made. They're just really fun to design. I love fall colors. I lived for a few years in another country, as you guys probably know if you've been around the Creative Faith channel for any length of time. And so I missed fall for 3 years, I think it was. 1 year I was studying abroad in Costa Rica, and then for 2 years I was in the Dominican Republic. And so I totally missed the fall colors. And so I love walking around my neighborhood. I recently moved, and the trees around here are exactly the color of this leaf in this picture and the one that I made. And so I love using them in my Bible. And one of the things that I just kept kind of thinking about and meditating on was how leaves fall in God's perfect timing, and how God has the leaves fall from trees in his time. And I was just really pondering that a lot as I was doing this page and thinking about God's timing in my life and how he controls the leaves on the trees, and he also is in control of my life and knows the perfect timing where I need everything in my life. And so that is just some truth for me to soak up that I was soaking up. These little word footy sheets come from my kit. I'm putting down just listen, pause from the rush, and the last one says give me peace. And I'm using my favorite glue pen, which I'll put a link in the description box below if you guys want to purchase this glue pen. I have been finding that pages where I was using a tape runner, that the tape runner is getting old, like on old pages, and is tearing off. It's not adhering anymore. So this glue pen has been a lifesaver. And so I'm just doing a little journaling, writing out in God's perfect timing the leaves fall, and just continuing to meditate on that truth, right? That God is in control, and asking him for peace in the middle of just these trials and seasons in the wilderness. So be sure to subscribe to the Creative Faith YouTube channel for more Bible journaling videos and inspiration. Head over to Allie's YouTube channel and give her a subscribe. Be sure to watch her video and check out both of our digital kits available through the links in the description box for easy shopping and purchasing. But most of all, I hope you guys watch this and remember that God is in control of the timing of your life, and he will make whatever it is happen in his perfect timing. And so I just hope that you guys all leave today soaking up that truth that he is totally in control. And thank you guys for watching. Bye!